Come test drive this 2009 Toyota Camry. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, power moonroof, reverse sensing system, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to rear park assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.